kids, welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV.
Math 3 Summative Test Reviewer, 4th Quarter. Here are the topics: division steps, problem solving with division, estimating quotients, and division with remainders. Choose the best answer for each question. In the acronym DMSB, what does the D stand for? A. Difference, B. Divide, C. Double. It's B. Divide. After you multiply, what is the next step in long division? A. Subtract, B. Bring down, C. Stop. It's A. Subtract. What is the very last step in a division cycle before you repeat? A. Multiply, B. Subtract, C. Bring down. It's C. Bring down. If you are dividing 48 divided by 4, what is the first digit you should look at? A. 4, B. 8, C. 48. It's letter A. 4. What do we call the number that is being divided? A. Divisor, B. Dividend, C. Quotient. The answer is B. Dividend. What do we call the answer in a division problem? A. Product, B. Quotient, C. Remainder. It's B. Quotient. In the problem, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Which number is the divisor? A. 15, B. 3, C. 5. It's B. 3. True or false? You should always check if your subtraction result is smaller than the divisor. A. True, B. False, C. Only sometimes. It's A. True. What is the best way to estimate 82 divided by 4? A. 80 divided by 4, B. 85 divided by 4, C. 90 divided by 4. It's A. 80 divided by 4. Estimate 147 divided by 3 by rounding the dividend to the nearest 10. A. 140 divided by 3, B. 150 divided by 3, C. 200 divided by 3. It's B. 150 divided by 3. Which estimate is closest to 243 divided by 6? A. 30, B. 40, C. 50. The answer is B. 40. If you estimate 318 divided by 8 as 320 divided by 8, your estimated answer is A. 40, B. 4, C. 400. It's A. 40. Estimating is useful because it helps you check if your answer is A. Wrong, B. Reasonable, C. Exactly correct. It's B. Reasonable. Estimate 59 divided by 3. A. 50 divided by 3 is equal to 16. B. 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. C. 59 divided by 3 is equal to 19. It's B. 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. Which compatible numbers would you use for 274 divided by 9? A. 270 divided by 9, B. 300 divided by 9, C. 200 divided by 9. It's letter A, 270 divided by 9. What is the remainder in 17 divided by 5? A1, B2, C3. It's B2. A remainder must always be blank than the divisor. A larger, B equal to, C smaller. It's C smaller. What is 25 divided by 4? A, 5 remainder 5. B, 6 remainder 1. C, 6 remainder 2. It's B, 6 remainder 1. In the problem, 20 divided by 6 is equal to 3 remainder 2. What does the R2 or remainder 2 mean? A, 2 are left over. B, 2 is the divisor. C, add 2 to the answer. It's A, 2 are left over. Which of these will have a remainder? A, 10 divided by 2. B, 12 divided by 3. C, 13 divided by 4. It's letter C, 13 divided by 4. What is 38 divided by 7? A, 5 remainder 3. B, 5 remainder 2. C, 6 remainder 1. It's A, 5 remainder 3. If you divide 11 cookies among 3 friends, how many cookies are left over? A1, B2, C3. It's B2. What is 50 divided by 8? A, 6 remainder 2. B, 6 remainder 4. C, 7 remainder 1. It's A, 6 remainder 2. There are 24 students. If they sit in groups of 4, how many groups are there? A4, B6, C8. It's B6. A box holds 5 pencils. How many boxes are needed for 45 pencils? A8, B9, C10. It's B9. If 32 flowers are shared equally among 8 vases, how many flowers per vase? A4, B5, C6. It's A4. A baker has 50 cupcakes. He put 6 in each box. How many cupcakes are left over? A1, B2, C3. It's B2. 4 friends shared 36 candies. How many did each get? A8, B9, C12. It's B9. To solve how many weeks are in 28 days, you should A, multiply 28 times 7. B, divide 28 divided by 7. C, subtract 28 minus 7. It's letter B, divide 28 divided by 7. What does a remainder tell you in a division problem? A, how many groups were made? B, the total amount being divided. C, the amount left over after making equal groups. It's letter C, the amount left over after making equal groups. Which step involves finding how many times the divisor fits into a part of the dividend? A, multiply. B, divide. C, subtract. It's B, divide. What do you call the number you are dividing by? A, dividend, B, divisor, C, quotient. It's B, divisor. When performing long division, where do you write the quotient? A, under the divisor, B, above the dividend, C, to the right of the equal sign. It's B, above the dividend. What does DMSB stand for? A, double, minus, subtract, bring down. B, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. C, division, multiplication, subtraction, borrowing. It's B, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Solve the following problems. For numbers 1 to 5, do the division steps. And for numbers 6 to 8, estimating quotients. Let's check your answers. 1. 65 divided by 5 is 13. 2. 96 divided by 3 is 32. 3. 84 divided by 4 is 21. 4. 125 divided by 5 is 25. 5. 497 divided by 7 is 71. For number 6, estimate the quotients of 29 divided by 3 is 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 7. 39 divided by 4 is 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. And 8. 403 divided by 8 is 400 divided by 8 is equal to 50. And for numbers 9 to 12, let's check your answers. 9. 47 divided by 5 is 9 remainder 2. 10. 27 divided by 2 is 13 remainder 1. 11. 78 divided by 7 is 11 remainder 1. And 12. 568 divided by 3 is 189 remainder 1. Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.